Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making possibly my favorite fish dish. Steamed fish that has lime as major flavor. So let's get started. We're going to clean the fish.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
Perfect, so we are going to steam fish for 7 to 10 minutes. So let's us time to make a sauce. We start to pound them as well. We are going to mix spring onion into the sauce. The sauce is perfect now. Then, we're going to pour the sauce into the fish. And then we're going to steam it again in shortly time. Here is my favorite steamed fish in the world. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.